Hello everyone! It's a beautiful Sunday today to play some more slime. There is some shells in this slime today. See? Let's play! So satisfying. I put shells in here because the slime looks like the water for where you put the shells, and I got the shells from the beach. I'm gonna take out the shells now because, I don't want to dirty them. But they're already been dirty because I played with them. I just want to show you my shells. Look at these shells. Do you want to hear what they sound like when they mash together? Let me get these two. Very cool, right? Now let's take out these shells. Look at these shells. These are so fun. I think that's enough shells. Let's start playing again. I'm gonna call this the ocean because it's like the ocean. Whoa, so stretchy. Look at all that glitters inside there. So cool. You see those shells? Whoop. It's easier to take out the shells now. It's gonna be so much to take out because there's so many shells. Ooh, look, there's the last shell. This ocean is so cool. Maybe I should add some more stuff next time. Got more slime. This one's like a lighter version and this one's a darker version. I mean, this one looks like more oceany. This one also looks like the ocean, but if I mix these together, they look like a sea. Maybe I should add some blue things in here. Yeah, that matches. Get some blue stuff. So I got a bunch of blue stuff, you see? ice cream, candy, another piece of candy, but it says sweets. You cannot see it because it's backwards. You see this candy again, donut, and popsicle. Let's put these all inside my slime. Boop, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Woohoo! This looks cool. Let's play. Ow, so hard and hurting your fingers. Should I add? No, I should. Let's add a popsicle. And this side has nothing. And I have a ice cream. Wow, I have such a big ice cream stick. Yummy. Look at that. That inside. You could barely see it there, but you could see the ice creams. You see that stick coming out? Hello. Oh, it still got slime on it. Okay. Great slime. But I think for now, I think this is it. Bye-bye, guys.